AFPTV looks back at the biggest stories of 2023. Drought made worse by climate change was cited as one of several factors behind the deadliest wildfire in the US in a century that claimed at least 115 lives on the Hawaiian island of Maui in August. In Canada, over 18 million hectares of forest went up in smoke.
Business keys. Well, don't need those anymore.
Damages.
It's hard. It's hard to see 16 years of work. It's difficult. But my husband is alive and safe. My pet is safe. My kids are safe. So we're all safe. So that's more important than the stuff.
So
oh, fuck.
As far as spotting distances, we've seen spotting up to 1 kilometer already on this fire, where it is
Where it's about 20 meters a minute. That in this terrain.
this on this scale, but I hope that because it was so dramatic and just so visible and it's what everyone is talking about, that hopefully it sheds some light and some attention on how serious of an issue this is, the fact that we're only going to see more things like this in the future, and that it really is time for immediate and substantial action.
I'm from Washington, D.C. originally, so I moved here about 7.5 years ago.
And always in Lahaina?
Always through multiple traumas.
The ocean did literally save my life, and I can't wait to go back to it. I have no fear of the ocean. I thank God for the ocean that day.
It's going to be hard. America's deadliest wildfire in over a century. And Jill and I have what's left, walked Front Street, what's left of it. We've surveyed the damage from the air as well. The devastation is overwhelming to date.
There was no warning. Like I said, I was paying attention on my phone to the news, okay? Oh, it's so many hundreds of miles south. We're going to have some strong winds. It's going to play havoc with our trade winds. Nothing to worry about, okay? The next day, when the storm passed by, okay, all of a sudden, my apartment went black. I said, is it going to rain? When we opened the door, it was orange from the fire. This is my house right now. This is my house. Yeah, okay? House. I've got waters. And I've got ice and Gatorade. I've got foodstuffs. Not a lot now, but I do have enough to survive on. Now,
This was the dining room right here. And then this was the living room area. If you come right up to here, this is a kitchen. That was a kitchen there.